Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD touchscreen assembly on the Motorola Moto G Play 2024 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. Place the back cover facing down on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. If you don't have a heating pad, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the old adhesive from the edges. Next, make sure the SIM tray is out. Next, undo 19 screws securing the mid frame. Next, use a plastic upright tool to create a small opening between the mid frame and the body. Start from the SIM card slot area, as this is the best place to begin. Gently slide the tool along the edges to release the plastic clips. Take your time and work slowly around the frame. Be careful while separating. The fingerprint flex is attached to the mid frame. Slowly lift the mid frame once all the clips are released. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the logic board. And then disconnect the fingerprint flex to remove the mid frame. Next, remove the broken screen, including the frame. First, remove the logic board from the body. Unplug the antenna head and disconnect the LCD plug from the logic board. And then free the front camera from the bracket. And also release the tape covering the AP speaker. Next, gently remove the logic board from the body. Next, apply heat and remove the AP speaker. Next, remove the power inflex from the frame. Next, remove the bottom speaker module. Next, remove the charging port board with the antennas. First, disconnect the LCD plug and then undo the screw to release the charging port board. Next, remove the vibrator motor. Next, gently remove the battery from the body. Now, all parts have been removed from the broken screen frame. When selecting a replacement screen, you'll find several types on the market. The most common and reliable option is the original service pack screen, which includes the frame and components. Another option is the original screen but without the frame. But installation is more complex and time consuming, and durability may be a question. You will also find refurbished, used, and aftermarket screens available both with and without the frame. For a durable repair process, I recommend choosing a screen that comes with the frame. Next, on the new screen frame, begin reinstalling the removed components. First, align and secure the power inflex. Next, secure the earpiece speaker on the frame. Next, gently place and secure the logic board. Ensure the placement and secure parts to the bracket. And also secure the tapes. Next, secure the vibrator motor. Next, place the charging port board and secure it by adding the screw. And then secure the LCD plug. Next, secure the speaker module. Next, secure the antenna on the frame and then connect it to the logic board. Next, place and secure the battery with adhesive. Next, connect the fingerprint plug. Next, secure the battery connector plug. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, align and place the midframe onto the body. Press gently around the edges to snap it into place. Make sure all the clips are secured. Finally, secure the midframe by adding 19 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or double-sided back adhesive. Next, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.